Another adventure starts now at Toys and RC. In today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 new RC releases, February 2026. Crawlers, cars, planes, and more. After extensive research across multiple websites, I've put together a list of options to meet the needs of many different types of buyers. Whether you're focused on price, performance, or a specific use, I'm here to help. For more details about the products, I've included links in the description below. Keep in mind that this is not a review video, but a product showcase. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, comment, and of course, subscribe to the channel. Number 5. The Sport 3 Falken Porsche 911 GT3 RSR from HPI Racing is designed for buyers who want strong performance, realistic styling, and an easy entry into RC driving. It features a fully licensed body from Porsche with official Falken Racing livery, delivering true track presence and collector-level detail. The Sport 3 chassis uses shaft-driven 4-wheel drive, providing better traction, smoother acceleration, and more predictable cornering. Key decision factors for both beginners and experienced hobby drivers. Its durable build helps withstand regular use and minor impacts, significantly reducing maintenance concerns. It comes nearly ready to run, which lowers setup time and increases purchase convenience for consumers who want fast results out of the box. Independent suspension improves grip and steering control on asphalt surfaces, ensuring a premium driving experience. Another important benefit is the upgrade potential. Electronics and power components can be improved over time, extending product lifespan and performance value. It is a reliable, brand-recognized RC platform with room to grow. Number 4. The ARMA Granite Grom 3 SBLX brings legendary bashing performance to a compact 1/18th scale. Designed for drivers who demand extreme speed and rugged durability in any environment, this model features a high-output brushless power system. When equipped with a 3S LiPo battery, it delivers a power-to-weight ratio that defies its small size, hitting speeds that leave competitors behind. The chassis is built with signature ARMA toughness, featuring a simplified 4-wheel drive drivetrain with metal gear differentials to handle brutal torque. Its independent suspension with oil-filled shocks ensures total control over jumps and rough terrain, while the high-traction D-Boots tires provide maximum grip on dirt, grass, or asphalt. A major selling point is the convenient, ready-to-run package, which includes a high-quality 2.4 GHz radio system and waterproof electronics, allowing for fun in nearly any weather condition. Additionally, the Grom shares the design DNA of its larger 1/10th scale brothers, making maintenance straightforward and offering a vast ecosystem of option parts for those looking to customize and push performance even further. It is the power and attitude of a monster truck in a format that goes anywhere. Number 3. The legendary Traxxas Stampede takes monster truck fun to a new level with a bold, refreshed look and enhanced performance features. It now boasts striking new graphics and color-matched wheels that command attention the moment it hits the dirt. This updated aesthetic isn't just for show, it reflects the raw power and ruggedness that has made the Stampede a favorite for generations of RC enthusiasts. Equipped with all-new Terra tires, this machine offers exceptional traction on a wide variety of surfaces. The aggressive tread pattern provides the bite needed for massive roosts and impressive climbing, while the high ground clearance chassis allows it to fly over obstacles that stop other trucks in their tracks. Whether you are launching off jumps or powering through tall grass, the Stampede delivers a true monster truck experience. Built for durability, the Stampede features a waterproof XL5 electronic speed control and a powerful Titan 12-turn motor, ensuring you can keep shredding through puddles, mud, and snow. It is a completely ready-to-run package, making it the perfect choice for buyers who want immediate action without the complexity of a long setup. With its iconic wheelie-popping power and a design that is tougher than ever, the Stampede remains the ultimate entry point into high-performance RC bashing. Number 2. The VS4-10 Origin Classic and the Origin Classic Pro represent the pinnacle of scale trail performance, designed for enthusiasts who demand elite engineering and authentic styling. At the heart of these machines is a heavy-duty drivetrain and the proven Atlas transfer case, delivering a smooth, scale-accurate driving experience that handles the toughest terrain with ease. The Origin Classic Pro takes performance even further, featuring the high-clearance VFD transmission. This innovative design lowers the motor position to optimize the center of gravity, while the forward-mounted weight bias provides unmatched traction during technical climbs. Both models feature an iconic retro-styled polycarbonate body, capturing the soul of classic off-roaders while providing the durability needed for intense rock crawling. Equipped with scale-sized incision shocks and stainless steel links, the VS4-10 platform offers precision tuning and incredible suspension articulation. The Pro version steps up the capability with competition-inspired geometry and enhanced clearance, making it the choice for drivers who want to push the limits of what a scale rig can do. Whether you choose the Standard Classic for its iconic heritage or the Pro for its advanced crawling mechanicals, you are investing in a brand recognized for world-class quality and a massive ecosystem of high-performance upgrades. It is more than just a trail truck. It is a precision-engineered masterpiece built for the ultimate scale adventure. Number 1. The HY6 Military Truck is a standout choice for enthusiasts who value scale realism, rugged durability, and technical sophistication. This model captures the authentic essence of a heavy-duty military transport, featuring a highly detailed multi-axle configuration and a realistic cab design that makes it a centerpiece for collectors and scale modelers alike. Built on a robust metal-reinforced chassis, the HY6 is engineered to handle challenging off-road conditions. Its six-wheel drive system provides incredible climbing power and traction, allowing it to navigate through dirt, sand, and rocky inclines with ease. The leaf spring suspension system mirrors the mechanics of a full-scale military vehicle, delivering a stable and authentic driving experience that scale purists will appreciate. Performance is matched by convenience, as the HY6 often features a multi-speed transmission that can be shifted remotely. This allows the driver to toggle between high-speed cruising and high-torque crawling, depending on the terrain. The inclusion of functional LED lighting and a realistic interior adds to the immersion, making it feel like a true tactical vehicle rather than just a radio-controlled toy. With its impressive load-carrying capacity and a platform designed for customization, the HY6 offers a versatile hobby experience. Whether you are interested in historical reenactments, trail hauling, or technical upgrades, this military truck provides a reliable and brand-recognized foundation with immense growth potential. It is a powerful, high-detail machine that brings tactical off-road adventures to life. I hope this video has been helpful and has clarified some of your doubts. To get more information about the products, or to find out which one fits your budget, just click on the links in the descriptions. I don't mention the prices of the products because when you're watching the video, the prices may not match, as they vary depending on the time of year and can also go on sale. See you in the next video.